One thing I always wanted to do on this rig was basically drop the winch further down inside the bumper, and especially since we haven't run a front sway bar on this rig in years, it just doesn't really need it. So this is the perfect time to do that. I'm gonna be using this carbon off-road 12,000-pound winch, mainly because of the packaging for it. It's an incredibly strong winch. It's one of the lightest 12,000-pound winches on the market, but the nice thing is it also comes with a box that's prepped to be mounted remote. So I can mount the control box separate from the winch. And then it also comes with this super cool fairlead, this basically billet aluminum fairlead, which will end up on the front bumper on this Jeep when it's all said and done. That will basically lower this winch down inside the bumper, give me lots more room for air to get across the radiator, and it'll look a lot cooler. The John Bull Trail is one of the toughest sections on the Big Bear Trail loop, packed with rock gardens, steep climbs, and tight technical lines. It's all part of the San Bernardino National Forest. And out here, lockers and a solid set of tires make all the difference. We've also got Dan and Darren from Carbon Off-Road, who made the long trip all the way from Australia to join this year's ride. Let's catch up with them, get their thoughts so far, and check out what rig they brought for this year's adventure ride.
Day one on an adventure ride has been an absolute blast. It was great to get out there in the rocks, mix it up and challenge ourselves and do some hard wheeling in the States. The rig that we've got this week is a ZJ Cherokee. It's got JL Rubicon diffs underneath, 37-inch yokies. We've got the Carbon Scout Pro 9000 fast line speed, winch on the front. It's also got our upgraded air free spool clutch actuator as well. So that makes handling the rope, engaging and disengaging the clutch super easy from inside the cab. It's also got a low range transfer case. It's a good rig. It's probably under 10 grand, so it's held up really well this week. And thanks to Dave, who actually owns the rig, our mate, for letting us borrow it.